We had an old beam in here which was all rusted and all gone, had collapsed basically. So we replaced it with a new board which is galvanised and quite heavy duty. We put cavity tray down there, whip holes and also dry packing. So we done it with brickwork through it and then meshed it. So now we put the beading down there and then we're gonna carry on scratch coating it first all the way through. Scratch coat it and then apply top coat and try and match this old traditional render. So purple dash style. So it's very old. So and it's been painted so many times over the years. So we're going to do the corners all the way around, wrap it all, so hopefully we'll match. I mean, it should be straightforward but a bit messy. So it's a little bit messy. Apart from that, it'll be lovely. So now we're going to get on with scratch coating all the way around, as we started one corner already, and then I'll show you later how it's going to look. We had an old beam in here which was all rusted and carried out the scratch coat. Let's go and have a look, see what we've done. There you go, this is first coat now. We've put a beading down there because we want to finish a smooth render underneath it and then matching here. So this is the scratch coat. So once this all gone off, we're going to apply another coat, then start throwing the stones on it as you normally would. So we've done it around the corner, all around there. So it looks nice, finished, tidy. So yeah. So look once more. So everything's covered up. There you go. So this scratch coat, and we're going to do top coat and finish later on when it's dry, because this dries quite quick. Plastering sand, it's all good. So we currently have done second coat now, so it's ready for dashing to match it. So we're going to flat this a little bit more once it's gone off a bit, so it's a bit too wet. So it needs a good 20 to 40 minutes maybe. And we're going to do that when we're done there. So it will match. So when you paint it, you should really be seeing any difference at all. So obviously this doesn't need to be too smooth, because the actual force of the pebbles going on it creates its own dips. So to be fair, it's a pretty straightforward job. So we've covered the whip holes, so we don't want them blocked. That's the main, purpose anyway, because we need those, any water going into cavity, the cavity tray will push it back out. So no water stays into top of the beam or into the wall as well, so you go all the way down. Or anyway, so we get a leak under. So technically the tray should push the water out. So right, I'm gonna start leveling a little bit and I'll show you the final bit later. There we go. It's wonderful. Right, so now we've carried the third coat and the dashing, so it's all sorted out. So we've done it all the way around, so it's pretty much matching existing. So it's as close as we're going to get really. So now when it's all painted, should look all nice all the way around. So here, so it's all done this side along, and so this lovely job. So now it needs to dry and paint it whenever, I mean whether it's us or the client itself. So we've kept the whip holes all nice and clean, so need a bit more cleaning, extra cleaning. So it's always important to keep that clean, and also the scaffolding as well, because it's never nice to ruin someone else's things. So obviously scaffolding is one of our guys, but we have to treat them with respect. So yeah, there we have it. It's all finished, all in pretty much in a day or two, let's say. Well, you can get this done in a day, to be fair, as long as it's no wet weather. So this all finished for me now. I can wrap up my lovely tools and bugger off, go home and chill.